హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ తెలుగు వన్. దిస్ ఇస్ దివ్యశ్రీ. సో ప్రభాస్ ఫ్యాన్స్ కానీ మూవీ లవర్స్ కానీ వీళ్ళంతా ఒక ట్రాన్స్లో ఉన్నారు. ఎందుకంటే రాజసాబ్ జాన్ 9th రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి అసలు ఆ మ్యాజిక్ని బిగ్ స్క్రీన్ మీద ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు చూస్తామా అని చాలా ఎగ్జైట్మెంట్తో వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో ఆ ఎగ్జైట్మెంట్ని డబల్ చేయడానికి ఈరోజు మనతో ఒక స్పెషల్ గెస్ట్ ఉన్నారు. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ లేడీ అండ్ అలాగే ప్రభాస్ హైట్ని మ్యాచ్ చేయగలిగే లేడీ అనమాట. సో ఆవిడే మాల్విక మోహనన్, తనతో మాట్లాడతాం. Hi. Is it right?
That is true. Because with Prabhas sir, I can wear very, very tall heels and I'll still be looking up like this.
Seriously?
Yeah.
What is your height?
My height is 5'8", 5'7", 5'7" and a half actually.
Acha, okay.
But even if I wear like 4-inch heels, Prabhas sir is still taller. So,
Okay.
with all other heroes, I have to be like, okay, I have to tell my team, make the heels shorter.
Oh, nice. And first of all, how are you? How are you
Good,
doing?
good. How are you? Happy New
Yeah.
Year.
Thank you. Wish you the same. And recently we saw a trailer. It was like blast. థియేటర్స్లో ఈసారి మామూలు బ్లాస్ట్ ఉండదు. సో హౌ డస్ ఇట్ ఫీల్ ఫర్ యూ?
It feels we have been working on this movie for 2.5 years. So it's been a long time. So I'm excited that it's finally the audience is going to see it.
Yes.
And it's my Telugu debut. So I'm excited, nervous, lot of mixed
Why are you
feelings.
nervous?
To see how people like it, how people accept me, my role. So it's like natural, no?
Yes,
Nervousness.
natural thing. Yeah. And what is your experience working with this? This is first Telugu film, right? First straight Telugu film.
First straight Telugu film. Yeah.
And what is your personal experience? Today is different experience and tomorrow is different experience. As usual, movies also. अभी तक आप बहुत movies किया, मगर every movie is different experience. So what is your experience in this Raja Saab movie?
I feel like your experience in every film is as per the people you're working with, the team that you're working with. And I always feel like the main actor and the director, they bring the energy, they bring the vibe for how that set is going to be. I know everybody says Prabhas sir is very shy and introverted, which he is at events and very public gatherings, but on sets he's a lot more comfortable.
Okay.
So he talks a lot and he has a lot of fun, he's cracking jokes. So the vibe on set is very easy, breezy, fun, not serious at all. And even Maruti sir is very sweet, very lovely, he'll never shout. I think in 3 years I've never heard Maruti sir shout
Okay.
or get angry. He's very available, he's very accessible. Like even if you call him, Maruti sir will always be available, which not everybody is, you know. Very approachable director. So because of them, it was the mood of the set was sweet and fun.
So whole this 3 years went very happy.
Happy.
Yeah.
And majority of the shooting we did in this one set, that house you're seeing in the trailer. So that became like a second home. Like we would all be there and chilling there and eating together, talking. So it's all in that one house.
Yeah. And what is about your character and particularly in this film, why you choose this character? Like
Because I loved the character. When Maruti sir narrated the film to me, my character's name is Bhairavi.
Okay.
And I really liked I felt like the character had some really cool scenes to do.
Okay.
She, like for example, I got to do action in a movie which has someone like Prabhas sir who's known for action.
Yes.
So I'm doing action in the scene and Prabhas sir's character is watching me do action. And I thought it was very cool. You don't get to do that in every movie. Not all heroes are okay with it also. But Prabhas sir was he loved the scene. He thought it was very cute. He thought it's fun. This girl, I'm wearing like pink shorts, pink sports bra, and like one jacket, and I'm like hitting all the rowdies and everything. And he's watching. It's cute and it's funny and it's fun. So similarly, there are like a bunch of scenes that I thought, okay, this is such a fun character and I can do fun things.
Okay.
And plus, it's like a huge big budget film with Prabhas, and so it had everything going for it.
యా లైక్ విచ్ యూ సెడ్ నౌ ఇది అందరికీ సెట్ అవ్వదు, ఫైట్స్ కానీ లేకపోతే యాక్షన్ సీన్స్ కానీ అది ఎలా అంటే అందరికీ సెట్ అవ్వదు. పర్టికులర్గా విచ్ ఇస్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఫిజిక్ అండ్ ఫర్ యువర్ హైట్ ఇట్ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ సూట్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఫిజిక్. ఎస్. సో లైక్ అంటే బిఫోర్ దట్ will you do any work like how you prepare yourself for that character?
For the character, for example, for the fight sequence, we had some very challenging. I had some very challenging shots, and stunt master is Solomon Master, who has done all of Rajamouli sir's films. Devara, he's one of the best stunt masters we have in the industry, and very, very sweet and very nice to work with. So he's the one who designed the entire choreography. So there are scenes where there is like a rope that is pulling me like, 50 meters into the air, and I'm like doing a flip, and there's a rope that's pulling me and I'm doing like a big jump and kicking. So things like that, which I had to train for and practice for for a lot of days.
How many days it took?
I think almost 1 week. Daily I was practicing.
Okay.
For that, for the stunt sequence. So that way I had to like train as per the scene, the different scenes were there, all of it which required different kinds of prep.
Okay. So when we saw the movie, it will look like very simple. That's it. Like ala anpistundi. Like you're personally you are doing that, and you are facing that pain, or you are preparing for that role. Like how difficult it is.
It is very difficult to make something look easy, especially when it's like stunts or action or anything that requires a lot of skill. Like I feel like people who make dancing look very easy. Like Allu Arjun sir is a fantastic dancer.
Yes.
And I thought that even in the Pushpa 2 songs, that being his latest release, he brings so much swag and energy, and like he makes it look so easy, but he does it with so much attitude, and it's so hard to do that.
Yes.
We know that because we are on the other end, right? Like we try to do it, but it's hard to like match up to that. So similarly, even something like action and things, it's very hard to make it look effortless. So that's why you need to train a lot, practice a lot, so that it looks like you're doing it in a cool way.
Yeah, but it suits very perfect for you because your physique and your attitude and your height, it will suit very perfectly.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. And particularly you want to say anything about movie or your characterization, or because you have combination scenes with so many actors, so you want to add anything about other actors?
Not really. I feel all the characters in this movie have their own like graph. There is a reason. There is a part for every character to play, which I think the audience will understand more when they watch the movie. And but it's a crazy world. I can tell you that it's a crazy world where so much is happening. It's like expect the unexpected. You don't know what's going to come in the next scene. So I feel like it's a fun watch for family audience, for everybody, but even family audience, kids, because there are like crocodiles, there are like, as you saw in the trailer, there are ghosts, there are a lot of other crazy things happening, which I think kids will also really like watching.
Achha, okay. Mostly in the films, ghost बोले तो, but definitely a female will be ghost. वैसे सोचते. आप ये मूवी में कुछ ghost makeup और कुछ किया आप इस मूवी में?
नहीं. I am not the ghost. I am not the ghost in this. In fact, when for my last birthday, Raja Saab team put out a poster.
Okay.
Of me in like a white chiffon sari, and everybody thought I was the ghost, because that is like how we are taught to look at a ghost. In Indian movies, it's a flowy white sari that they'll show a ghost in. So I was like, no guys, I am not the ghost. This is just my look in the movie. I'm wearing a lot of beautiful chiffon saris, a lot of like silver jewelry. So the costumes are really pretty. I think all the girls will really like it.
Yes. Like which attire you prefer?
I like both, and I've also worn both in the movie. There are like very cute like shorts and top and jackets and things like that, and it's also like beautiful saris.
Which is very comfortable for you?
Both are I think it depends on my mood of the day, you know. So some days saris, some days this, but Maruti sir keeps joking, this movie is like one portfolio for you, you know. I've shown you in every avatar, Indian avatar, Western avatar, doing romance, being sweet, being doing action, doing everything. So he keeps saying that all the time.
अच्छा, ओके ओके। एंड अभी अब तो आपको तो पता चलेगा क्योंकि अभी सोशल मीडिया में हीरोइंस का ड्रेसिंग के ऊपर बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आ रहा है, आपको पता है?
It's very irritating.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
You please react on that. I just want to know what you will.
One
how you
trend
react.
that's going a lot on Twitter is they'll ask Grok, right? GROK. They'll be like, Grok, put her, they'll post a photo and they'll be like, change this look to, you know, put her in a bikini, put her in a this thing. And it does that also, which I think really needs to stop.
Okay.
Because it is, it's ridiculous. Like, why is that okay? I think that Grok or whatever should stop doing that to like pictures of female actors.
Okay. Like, so many people will comment on dressing, like, which is not comfortable for us, and they don't have any limit. So, at that time, if you will face you will face that situation, how you will react?
More.
Okay.
I think as because I've realized that there is no right. If you're in Indian, they'll be like, oh, why isn't she wearing more glam Western stuff? If you're in Western, they'll be like, oh, why can't she dress? So I feel like online bullies you should not pay attention to and not take them seriously. See, constructive criticism is important, and it's important to listen to constructive criticism to grow in your craft, to get better in every form. But online, what happens is random trolling and bullies, and they're hiding behind like one faceless profile and just taking out their frustration. They're like sad little people trying to, you know,
Yes.
just be nasty. So I don't take that seriously.
Okay.
They need to get a life.
Yes. Yeah, and one more thing is you have worked for so many industries. You have worked for Tamil and Malayalam, and now you are working in Telugu. Have you observed any difference, like in a call sheets or remuneration, like those stories? Which you have observed any difference?
Call sheets, no.
Timings are same.
I think Malayalam movies, for example, get over a lot faster
Okay.
because the setup is simpler.
Okay.
Maybe. Remuneration also, yes, because see, Malayalam as an industry, they can only pay you an equivalent of how much the industry is making, the economics of that industry.
Okay.
And Telugu, the economics of it are a lot higher because of, you know, the budgets being available for that and the reach of like a particular industry, the population. So many factors go into it.
Okay.
So that varies a little bit. But otherwise, no. Otherwise, I really feel like every set is different
Yes.
as per the people you're working with, no? So it always comes down to that.
And have you observed any story difference?
Story difference.
Yes.
I feel Malayalam is more catered towards like realistic stories
Yes.
and realistic portrayal of characters. Whereas other industries like a little more of, you know, like a little mass and elevations and fun,
Yes.
which is also fun. So,
But still, Telugu people will also watch more
Realistic.
Malayalam films.
you know, in fact, I've heard a lot of my Telugu writer friends are telling me that there is a very big audience for Malayalam movies now, like good Malayalam movies in Telugu.
Okay.
So, I've been hearing that a lot.
I'll ask few questions. It's a rapid fire. So you need to answer in very short. Okay. What's your favorite movie in Telugu?
In Telugu,
Yeah.
Bahubali.
Bahubali.
Yeah,
So,
I've seen it at least 15 times.
okay. Have you said that to Prabhas sir?
Yes, that was one of the first things I told him.
Acha,
So I'm a
okay.
huge fan of Bahubali.
And what he said?
Me and my amma also loves Bahubali.
Oh, sorry. Actually, I want to ask about her. क्योंकि आप दोनों देखने के लिए sisters
Same.
जैसे. Yes.
See, everyone tells me that you look exactly like
she
your
look
mother.
Very young. She look very young.
She'll be very happy. I'll tell her that.
And what is the biggest red flag in a relationship?
Red flag. Many, but your partner checking your phone.
Acha, okay.
Trust
You will check
issues,
your partner
insecurity
phone?
issues. No, I don't.
you
I
don't.
don't. No.
Okay. What is the biggest fear in a relationship?
Cheating. Being
Yes,
cheated
of
on. I
course.
mean, not cheating, being cheated on.
Acha, okay. And what is your favorite TV show?
um, my all-time comfort watch is Friends.
Acha. And
And I also love Game of Thrones.
okay. And do you have celebrity crush?
Celebrity crush. Nobody at the moment, but for a very long time, I had a crush on Ranbir Kapoor.
Oh.
But I think most women have that.
Acha, okay. Have you watched recently a movie आया था ना? Dhurandhar. Have you
Dhurandhar.
watched that?
Not yet because I've been busy with work
Yes,
and
yes.
promotions,
Okay.
but I want to.
Yeah. It is very nice film actually. And what is most used app on your phone?
Instagram.
Instagram.
Yeah.
And
I'm
what
also a very visual person. I like photos.
Okay.
I like anything that's, visual.
Okay. Currently, what is your bank balance?
Fine, that's a very personal question. See, my team is laughing.
Okay. At least 1 lakh or 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs.
No, I can't tell you.
Okay. Actually, people want to know.
Bank balance.
అంటే how much celebrity will maintain in their account అనేది.
I spend all my money shopping.
Acha, okay.
So consider it zero.
Still,
All the pretty clothes I had to buy for interviews.
okay. In weekly, how many times you will do shopping?
I actually do a lot of shopping for work related things.
Okay.
But in my personal, like in my real life, I love bags.
Oh, okay.
I love collecting bags. I don't care about shoes, dresses, nothing, but I love
Particularly, you will prefer any brand?
bags. Not any one brand, multiple brands, but I love bag. I'm a bag girl.
Acha, okay. If you want to suggest any good brand, which brand you will suggest?
For what? Brand for?
For bag.
For bag.
Yes.
Well, I like this. There is one. If I'm not mistaken, it's an Indian brand.
okay.
It's called Behno.
Uh-huh.
They're making some cool bags.
Nice. And what is your opinion on social media?
I feel it's a very good tool if used right.
And what is your favorite place to travel?
To travel. In India, I love Ladakh.
Ladakh. Okay.
Ladakh.
Have
It's
you
one
went?
of-
How many times have you went?
I've gone 3-4 times.
Okay.
I love the Himalayas. I love the mountains.
Will you ride bike?
Yeah.
Oh.
I love riding bikes. I go there, I rent a Royal Enfield and I
Okay.
love riding there. I learned how to ride a bike when I was 18. I loved bikes. So the day I turned 18, I told Amma that I'm going to get a license and learn how to drive a car and ride a bike.
Okay. She will support?
No. She's like, car
Definitely,
okay.
Mama will not
Car no
support.
problem. But she's like,
So many
bikes are too
mothers are like that
dangerous.
only. Yeah.
But I still do it sometimes secretly. Then she finds out later and yells at me like all mothers. My favorite place in India is Ladakh. I do love to ride bikes there. And internationally, I would say I really like Italy.
Italy. Okay. And what is your favorite food?
Favorite food? Fish curry, fish fry, rice, papadam. This combo.
Nice. And your favorite makeup product?
Makeup product. I like skin tints.
Skin tint.
Yeah, like
blush.
that one. Yeah, that one product which can also be blush, lip, and eyes. No, because in real life I don't have. When I'm working, I have a lovely hair makeup team.
Okay.
But in real life, I don't have patience for makeup. So I try to do it as fast as possible. So I'll do like a very simple BB cream, and a little bit of concealer, and then I'll just do tint, and like I like doing my eyes. I feel like especially South Indians have beautiful eyes.
Yes.
So I just like amping up my eyes.
Okay. Will you suggest any brands?
For makeup?
Makeup.
Makeup, it's a mixed bag, yeah. There are a lot of, there's no one particular brand actually. There's no one particular. It depends.
Yes.
Yeah, different brands,
In
different products.
in budget, which brand you will suggest?
K-beauty, but actually I've heard, like a lot of K-beauty products are really good.
Yes.
And they have some really fun tints, the ones I was talking about, and their products are good. K-Beauty.
ఓకే. సో ఫాలోవర్స్ అందరికీ ఇప్పటికీ అర్థమైపోయి ఉంటుంది. అండ్ 3 people on your speed dial list.
On my speed dial list.
Yes. If you get any problem or if you have any issue, immediately you will contact them.
Amma, obviously.
One number.
I mean, 3 is Amma, Achin, my brother, Adi. So
Adi, acha, okay.
3 is done there only.
One more person.
My assistant is on my, because I'm working back to back. I can't live without him. His name is Ajay Ji.
Acha,
He
okay.
is my lifeline, you know. So he's always traveling with me. He's there with me on all shoots. So yeah, I can't imagine life without him.
Acha, acha. Like he is your manager or?
My assistant.
Acha, your
My
assistant.
assistant. My work assistant. He travels with me for work, for shoots, for all shoots, everything.
Okay. And what is your first remuneration and how much?
What is this remuneration thing? My mom has taught me it's not good to talk about money.
Acha, okay. No, I'm asking about your first remuneration.
But even that is like too, you know, if it was a Malayalam movie, so it wasn't too much. No, actually my first remuneration was, I think, for a small modeling gig I did when I was in college, like on Kutti project, and I got 10,000 rupees.
10,000 rupees.
Yeah, which was like very big money. So
Acha.
I was very happy.
Okay. It is in 2020, 25, sorry.
Or I think 2012.
Which year?
Maybe. Yeah, when
2012.
when I was very young, when I was in like after school, I got into college.
Acha,
So
okay.
that time.
One thing that you can't live without.
My AirPods. I'm always on work calls. I'm always working, and I hate like holding the phone. So I like my wireless headphones.
Acha.
I can't function without it.
Okay. And how many phones you are using currently?
Just one.
Just one.
I don't like one phone also. After a point I get irritated. Too much of screen time, and you know, so I'll never use more than one phone.
Acha, okay. Actually, I saw your phone recently in Instagram, which you are using 17 Pro. 17 Pro Max, I guess.
Not Max. I think 17 Pro. Yeah.
Yeah. Currently, you are using that.
Yes.
Nice meeting you.
Nice
Thank
meeting
you
you.
so much. And
Thank you.
you want to tell anything about movie to audience?
I just want to say that it's a movie for everyone, for the Gen Z audience, for families, for children, for everyone. There's a little bit of drama, romance, comedy, lot of comedy actually, lot of emotions. So please go watch it with your families in theaters this Sankranti. It's a full-on Sankranti film, and I really hope you like it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Nice
Thank
meeting
you.
you.
Nice meeting
All
you.
the best for your future.
You too.
Thank you.